Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of industrial excellence, Factory Management 5.0. This revolutionary concept is transforming manufacturing by integrating cutting-edge technologies and innovative methodologies across all aspects of operations. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence predicts equipment failures before they occur, where collaborative robots, cobots, work seamlessly alongside humans, and where real-time data analytics optimize production processes on the fly. That's the essence of Factory Management 5.0. Safety and sustainability are at its core, with AI-driven risk assessments, smart resource management, and personalized health programs for employees. Quality is redefined through AI-powered inspection, blockchain-enabled traceability, and predictive quality control. And innovation takes center stage with digital twins, augmented engineering, and generative design tools shaping a new era of possibilities. Factory Management 5.0 isn't just about technology, it's about creating a competitive edge in an increasingly complex global market. By adopting this approach, industries can achieve remarkable results, up to 40% improvement in productivity, a 60% reduction in operational costs, and a 90% decrease in defect rates, all while enhancing sustainability by reducing their carbon footprint. As we embrace this paradigm shift, the question isn't whether to adopt Factory Management 5.0, but how fast we can transform to stay ahead. Let's innovate, adapt, and lead the way into this exciting new era of manufacturing excellence. Thank you.